This technique of weaving rattan by hand is quite an interesting technique. And first they have to cut the rattan pieces, and sometimes they dye part of them. And they have to cut them into these small strips in various sizes so that they can be able to weave them onto the machine. And here's some example of some that are dyed and some that are in the natural. And you can see here how she's just taking it strip by strip and just putting it into this machine, just kind of like you're weaving a fabric piece. It really requires quite a bit of skill because you have to work very quickly. This machine is partly hand and part electric. So whoever's weaving this has to be very fast, very quick, and has to have some really good skill. You can also see how big this machine is. It's quite a large machine, and that you can see some of the other warps that they've set up. You can put colors on them, or they have stripes on them, or other things. But this is quite a good skill that they need to have to weave this rattan fabric. This is an example of some curtains that they have woven, and they cut the edges of them and then they'll put them together to make curtains. This is an example of a lampshade, and this is actually glued and made together with the same fabric to make a lampshade. And this is the same weave that's kind of woven onto a planter box that has actually some bamboo on it also. This is Anita Hummel, and we hope you've enjoyed this video. We would love to hear from you, and please visit our webpage at Mindoro.com and visit our blog that we have about this woven rattan fabric. We'd love to hear from you anyway on Instagram or Facebook. And if you have any questions or looking for some great products to be manufactured here in Asia, please feel free to contact us and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for listening.